Class 1 EVS. Class 1 EVS. Okay, let's start. So last day we have started this chapter. See, my body parts. We have started this chapter last day. This one you have done. Then this one. How many? 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 hands, 2 finger and toes we have. And we have 1 nose, 1 tongue, 1 legs, 1 knees. Sorry. Okay. This also we have done all the body parts I taught you last day till this much. Okay. This also I taught you and this also I taught you, isn't it? All the body parts. Okay. So today we'll start from next page. Okay. So this is our next page. So let's start from here. So what is the date today? 4 5 2, right? 5 2 2 0. So write down which part of the body are in pair and which are single. Pair means 2 2, which are in 2 2. These are pairs. Those which have 2. 2 means pair. So you will write those which are in pairs, that means 2, and those 1 means single. This also 2, this also 2. So single is only nose and tongue. All are 2 2. See. Okay. So pair. Where I have 2 and I have 1. Okay. So 2 means pair. What? I have 2. What you will write? Ears. 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 I have 2 legs. I have 2 hands. I have 2 eyes. What do you have? 1. I have 1 nose. Then 1 tongue, 1 neck, 1 nose, 1 tongue, then 1 neck. You have 1 neck also. And what you have? 1. See the body. See the body. You have 1 nose, 1 tongue, 1 neck, and what you have? 1 belly or stomach. What is this? Stomach. You can write I have 1 stomach, STOMACH, or 1 chest, 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 or you can write stomach. Okay, clear? See, you have 1 mouth also. 1 mouth, right? I have 1 mouth, MOUTH, mouth. See. Okay. The parts those which have 2 2. The parts which we have 2 you can write here. The parts which you have 1 we can write here. Clear? Now next, mark the parts of the face in the picture which help. Okay, with the help of the words given in the box. You have to mark the words. Okay, in the picture with the help of the box. Mark the parts of the face. This face has many parts in the box. Okay, in the picture with the help of the words given in the box. Now see box. There are many words and you have to mark it. This is forehead. Right here, forehead. FORE, 4, HEAD, head. This is, sorry, this is forehead. Sorry. I'm very sorry. This will be your forehead. Okay. This will be your hair. What is this? Hair. See here. This is hair. HAIR, hair. Clear? This is forehead. By mistake I have thought this one. Okay. So this will be forehead. 4 HEAD. See, head spelling is here. This is ear. EAR, ear. This is cheek. Cheek, you know your cheeks. These are cheeks. CHEEK, cheek. Then this is eyebrow. See, eyebrow. EYEIBROW, brow. This is eye. EYEI. This is nose. NOSE, nose. This is chin. This is called what? Chin, chin. CHIN, chin. And this is mouth. MOUTH. Can you see? It's clear, I think. You can write it by yourself. Okay, you take a pencil and write. This also you can write. Okay. Now come to the next page. Next page is what? Draw any 3 parts of your body. You can draw any 3 parts of your body. It can be eyes, nose, ears, tongue, neck, finger, legs, anything. Any 3 parts you will draw it. You will draw it by yourself. Any 3 parts of your body. Okay, and you will write the name. If you draw eye, then write her eye. If you draw nose, then write her nose. If you draw tongue, then write her tongue. You have to write the name of the here. Okay, clear? Now function of my body parts. Now function of your body parts. This is eyes. What do you do with eyes? These are what? These are eyes. What do you do with eyes? I see with my eyes. What do? You see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. You see with your eyes. Next is tongue. What do you do with tongue? I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. Neck. This is what? Neck. My head rests on my neck. That means this is your head rests. That means it stays on top of the neck. My head rests on my neck. I can turn my head with the help of my neck. I can turn my head with the help of my neck. Okay. Nose. Because of nose you can turn your head right, back, up, down. Okay. And your head stays on top of the neck. Okay. Nose. This is what? Nose. I breathe with my nose and smell through my nose. What do? You breathe. Okay. This is breathing. And smell means good smell, bad smell. Okay. All you help us to do with the nose. Smell. We smell with our nose. Okay. We do all this through our nose. Next is I write and hold things with my hands and fingers. Okay. I write and hold things with my hands and finger. Okay, what do? You write and you hold things with your hand or your fingers. Because of your hand and fingers you are able to write. Otherwise no one could have been able to write. Okay, why we write? Because of our fingers we are able to hold the pencil and we are able to write because of our fingers. Now this is legs, or you can say legs and feet. This is legs and this is feet. I stand, walk and dance, run on my feet. I stand, you walk, you dance, you run, you jump. Okay, you hop, all with what? With your feet, isn't it? Leg or feet. Feet help us to do all these things. Walk, dance, jump. Okay, clear? So what are the things? Now these are some functions of body parts. Few body parts and their functions. Now let us repeat once. Eyes. Eyes help us to see. Tongue. With tongue we taste with my tongue. Tongues help us to taste. Neck. Head rests on the neck and I turn my head with the help of neck. You can turn your head back, front with the help of neck. Nose. I breathe and smell through my nose. Okay, I breathe and smell through my nose. Clear? Next is hand and finger. I write and hold things with my hand and finger. Okay, you write and hold things with your hand and finger, isn't it? Otherwise, if there was no finger, you could not have able to hold the pencil and you could not have able to write. I stand, walk, dance and hello.